Recently, I accidentally locked my car with the keys inside the ignition in on position. What I ended up doing is I took old bamboo cutting board and I broke it into smaller, narrower pieces, and I wedged them into the upper right corner of the door between the door and the car frame. That allowed me to pry the door away from the car frame and open up a small gap to insert metal rod. From there, you can cycle the door lock-unlock button to open the doors. But in my case, they were on the side and it was very difficult to press unlock button. So instead, I aimed for the window down button and I was able to roll down the rear window and then simply pull the handle, open the door, get inside, and unlock your vehicle. As you can see here, the window buttons are the most easiest ones to press, and it worked flawlessly for me. I hope that will help you as well if you found yourself in a similar situation. If so, give this video a like. Thanks, have a nice day.